Welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's menu, we are going to prepare classic, delicious, fancy rice pudding. That is rice water. This is a very authentic recipe and I want to share with you. So come with me and let's start cooking. So right now I have my pot ready and I'm going to use water. So I'm going to fill this pot all the way to the middle. So this is about 15 cups of water that I'm going to use. And I just turned my stove into a medium heat and then we are going to cover our water and then have it boiled. So while our water is on this stove, we are going to get our rice ready. So I'm using basmati rice. The reason why I'm using basmati rice because I don't want too much starch, and basmati rice is very healthy for you if you are trying to, go on the weight loss diet. This is a very perfect rice because it doesn't have a lot of starch. So I'm using about 2 cups of basmati rice, and this is mandi rice as well. So I have in here 2 cups of mandi basmati rice. So after that, we're going to wash our rice. And what I love about this rice is it doesn't have too much starch. So you can just wash it or you can just skip washing the rice. It is still good because it is just the best rice that it competes with most of the rice in the market. And I really love it. But just to be on the safe side, go ahead and wash your rice. So after we wash our rice, our water is about to boil, and as you can tell, so feel free and add all your rice. Make sure that you don't leave some. We are adding everything. So after that, go ahead and stir them very well, and then we're gonna cover it and we're gonna lower our heat from a low medium to very low heat. So if you have the stove that has numbers, I will say put it on 2 just to be on the safe side. So as our rice is on the stove, I'm just gonna wash some blueberries. I really love fruits. When it comes to my breakfast, I usually add most of fruits when I eat breakfast. So I'm just gonna add this beautiful healthy blueberries right here, and I'm just washing it, and then after that we're gonna leave it aside just for now. Me say and then authentic and kasa Ghana rice water papi. So family, it has been about 10 minutes and my rice is still boiling because I lowered the stove, so it is taking the time to cook. No rush at all. So just feel free and go ahead and stir, and then after that please cover it back on and have it cook more. So as I said, I really love fruits. So I have in here my strawberries as well. So with this, you can get some from your fruit market or the fresh fruit market near you, or you can get some if you're in Ghana from ShopRite. They sell this fruit everywhere, and I really love it because it's so healthy for you. Trust me. So we're gonna wash it, and after that, we're gonna leave it aside, and we're gonna check our rice water or our rice pudding and see how it is doing so far. So it has been 15 minutes already. Cannot believe it. And our rice is still doing really nice. It is cooking slow, and I love that because it's not burning right now. It is cooking just perfection right now, and I really like it. So I'm just gonna try some and see how it is. As you can tell, it is still basmati rice. It needs more time to cook, before it can get very soft or tender. That is how we want our rice. So next, I'm going to be adding some 4 cups of water because we are making rice porridge, and we want to get the best rice porridge ever. And then after that, I'm adding in some salt to taste. All right, family. So after we adding our salt, go ahead and cover it and leave it on to cook. So our rice water is on the stove. It is almost done. So I got my strawberry ready, and I'm going to cut some of them. Yeah, so I really love this strawberry because it's so tasty, and it kind of have like a very sweet taste with that. It will go really nice with my rice pudding. And with this, you can use any fruit of your choice. You can even use pineapple, you can even use apple, any preferred fruit that you want to add it into your rice water, just go ahead and add it. So back to our rice water. It is doing so nice. It is almost done. So I'm just gonna give it just 5 minutes and everything should be ready. I really love it. only 2 cups of rice and the way is yet double. That is how Mandi rice is. It is just perfect for all your family. Everyone will eat and enjoy. I know it's been a long time since I had rice water. This is the perfect time to make this dish. Yes, and as you can tell, it is ready. I am going to dish it out, so with this you can add any sweetener of your choice. You can add sugar, but with me I'm trying to go on a little bit of a healthy side, so I'm just gonna add in here some agave syrup, in which that is gonna come very soon. So if you have a clean bowl, just go ahead and serve it whichever way that you want. You can add honey, you can add sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, anything at all that will make this dish taste delicious and that will bring joy to your family. Go ahead and do it. So as you can tell, I'm just decorating my rice water right here, making it look a little bit fancy and very delicious sankasa. So I hope you try the same recipe and I would love to hear some feedback from you. So like I said, I'm adding here agave syrup for my sweetener, but if you like sugar, you can add sugar instead. Okay, yeah. And next I have in here my carnation. If you don't have carnation milk or evaporated milk, you can add just fresh milk. Wherever you are, I believe you can get this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm just gonna garnish this with a little bit of cinnamon. I really love my cinnamon. Alright friends, so if you don't like cinnamon, you can skip this part, but trust me, it is very healthy for you, and I really hope that you give it a try if this is your first time. So back to my other one that I'm going to make for my husband. Like I said, my husband does not like cinnamon. He hates cinnamon, so I'm just gonna skip that one for him, and you can do the same thing for yours, okay? But if you like it, feel free and do so. So thank you so much for watching. This is how I make authentic Ghanaian rice porridge, or rice water in a local term. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give this a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like and share this joy with your friends and family so they can have a taste of this deliciousness right here. Until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Enjoy authentic rice water papebi. That corner any deal only on OBAAPA'S kitchen and OBAAPA'S recipes. Enjoy.